Hello, everybody.
Hola,
We are
Jose y
Z, and in our last video, we talked about where are we going.
vamos a Hawái.
Let's see. So today is our first day back from Hawaii.
Sí,
We're back in Las Vegas. What are we doing?
estamos en Las Vegas y estamos, ¿no?, empacando todo.
Yep, we're cleaning up the house, getting it ready for sale. And that's a big project. If you've ever moved, you know it's a big project. So right now, Jose is pulling stuff off the walls, cleaning the mirrors, and I am packing. Look at the mess. And these guys are not helping.
¿No?
No. By these guys, I mean the cats. Jose is helping. But not Paco and Maria.
Es mi compañero.
So yeah, the first thing we need to do is get our condo sold. So
Yes.
today we are getting everything pared down and cleaned up so we can get ready to list it. That's a lot of work. But, oh, Paco is not happy with you. Oh, pobre Paco. Anyway, I just wanted to share what we're doing.
Sí.
So maybe we'll come back and show later what we're up to. But right now, cleaning house.
Muy busy.
Very busy.
Yeah.
All right. Well, again, I am Z, and this is
Jose.
And we are Jose and Z. And if you're considering moving or wanting to go to the Hawaiian Islands, that's what this channel is going to be all about. So if you'd subscribe, that'd be fantastic. We'd love to be sharing with you. If you're considering moving to the islands or already live in the islands, we'd love to hear from you.
Yep.
And I think that's it. We'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.